Obviously, we are back on Houdini and I am so excited about that. We are jumping into the Greece footage and it is just about time. I know a couple of you have mentioned, why is Sailing Doodles in your title? And that is because we have collabed with Sailing Doodles coming up here in this footage, and it was such an eye-opener. It was really cool to get together with another creator. Also, just a really great reminder, the difference between a plastic and a classic boat. On a classic boat, there is so much love and tenderness and work and sweat and blood and tears that go into keeping these old girls alive, versus the plastic boats that you just pull up the anchor and kind of just go sailing. So, you know, I know there's always things to fix on a boat, but there's so much more to fix on a classic boat, which is part of the reward and also kind of the main of my existence. So we had such a cool time with Bobby. It was so fun, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this footage. So buckle up and enjoy this episode. Violet is not exactly super excited about our 3-hour drive, but it's gonna be worth it, my baby girl. So yeah, here we go. That's who it is, surprise!
Hey, oh, you're talking. Hi, how is everybody?
Who is that guy? I don't know. Somebody. We met up with Bobby from Sailing Doodles in Athens, Greece, aboard a charter boat. We are so excited. Istion Charters had provided us with a yacht for the week. Istion Yachting has been the leader in Greek yacht charters since 1992, offering bareboat, skippered, and fully crewed catamarans and monohulls. They operate from Athens and across the islands, making it easy to explore hidden coves and bustling harbors. Their fleet is modern, their support reliable, and their reputation solid among sailors worldwide. With Bobby on board and a week of adventure ahead, we couldn't wait to cast off into the magic of the Greek islands.
Oh, that's lovely.
Oh my goodness, Violet, what's this? Is this for you?
Oh,
wow.
Lucky.
That is so nice.
No AC, ladies.
Fun. Let's get sweaty.
Okay.
Bobby was such a doll to order all of our groceries while he put Jordan in charge of ordering groceries, and now we have, I don't know, 6 of these giant boxes. Who knows what's in them? I opened one, I see cheese, and I'm so excited. We're gonna see what she comes up with. I would like to know where we're going today. We have trusted you. We can't, I am nursing.
I know. So we're going to Nissos Agina. We're gonna go on the south side over there. There's a couple little bays. How you doing?
I am so good. How are you?
I am great. She's no longer nursing. So
I am no longer nursing, but it is the only time that we can use the tatas for what they're for on YouTube and not get demonetized. So YouTube, we're here.
I know,
and we're
but
the
like,
Leche team.
All right, so like patrons get to see the uncensored stuff, but like I'm still not. I can't put. I mean, I'm not gonna. I know it's allowed, but like I can't. Like if I get demonetized.
Oh, now he's a rule follower. Write that down, you guys.
I've never shown anything on YouTube. But like I generally give patrons like the uncut stuff anyway. Like it's never really like, you know, what's the word I'm looking for?
Uncut, uncensored, behind the scenes.
Well, yeah, it's like the raw footage a lot of the time.
Behind the scenes, under the swimsuit, raw footage. Here you go. I'll see you.
All right, this is Jordan. Introduce yourself. Where are you from? What's your story?
My name is Jordan. I'm 39 years old and I'm from Washington State.
It's her birthday in 2 weeks.
I don't know my blood type. I should probably know that. My birthday's in 2 weeks. If anybody wants to send me a present.
Yeah.
Who sent it to me?
No, you can send it to me.
Send it to me. I'll make sure they get it.
Sounds like you guys are spending my birthday glory already.
She is single and looking, so you know,
single,
guys.
Single, ready to mingle.
Oh yeah. Oh, yeah.
This might be a problem.
All right, let's light the fires, kick some tires, or do something like that.
Oh my goodness.
It's a little
Are you authorized
to drink beer?
Drive this machinery?
I
This spacious 38-foot catamaran.
Yeah,
run?
I've never driven one this small, honestly, so it might be a little.
You know,
adjustment.
I have said that myself before. Catamarans, of course. Carry on. Fire up the engines. Let's see what you got under the hood.
Start the engines, and then when y'all are properly, that's going to be an issue. Might go in. I think it slides in. Yeah. There we go. All right, no more whacking my head.
So how do we drive a boat? Teach me. How is it done? Do we turn a key? Do we hold the steering wheel?
Most boats don't have keys these days. If you can get on the boat and you can figure out how to start it, you can probably steal it.
So we're stealing this catamaran in Greece.
Yeah, we
could
didn't
just
pay
send
for
some bail money.
It's a little windy here and it's crosswind. We should be all right.
So I think we pivot off of that boat over there.
Yeah, we just
midship.
bounce
yeah,
into them.
just
and then,
like, you know, that's how we do.
bounce into it.
It's a practice paint job.
All right, let's get everything sorted and then we'll get moving.
Okay.
Cruise brief. All right, go for it. Release the aft line. All right, you can release that. Make sure that's all in. Kind of push off the boat to starboard a little.
Normally, this part is all on me. The stress, the lines, the tight maneuvering. But this time, I get to sit back and watch. Letting someone else take the helm is a rare luxury when you're usually the captain. Maneuvering a full-keeled classic boat is an art form. With one prop and a heavy keel, every move has to be planned. And you feel the boat resist as you coax her along. But with a modern catamaran like this lagoon, it's a completely different story. Two engines set wide apart mean that you can literally spin the boat on a dime. Docking goes from a stress test to almost effortless. I was gonna go midship at that power yacht over there. Yeah. We're insured, right? What's our deductible, babe?
Like 400.
Wow, there's a lot of windage on this. Jeez. This is definitely wired steering, not hydraulic.
Oh yeah, but it's like, I mean, not even a full turn from side to side.
Yeah.
So it's really like, you gotta like hold it, let it.
Yeah. Oh, hands free. Blowing out, the lines are stiff. Estion is the charter company that has chartered us this beautiful boat. There is a 10% discount if you mention Bobby mention me, mention us together, maybe it's 20%, hey. Yeah, so this is absolutely beautiful. I've been wanting to come to Greece for a very long time and we are here now, so it's amazing. Earlier today we just drove from Volos looking at that other boat yesterday because we were in the market for a catamaran ourselves. So it's good to get out here with someone with lots of experience on a catamaran so we can learn the ropes. All right, well, I'm keeping this little darling out of the refrigerator. It's the coldest place on the boat. This one doesn't have AC, but it's super cute. It's a 38 Lagoon.
It's definitely very important that we keep that closed right now because there's leaking right now.
This is so fun though. I got it. She just got that round peg.
You know what? Stay tuned, folks. We're gonna come back for that.
How did that math? I don't even know.
It's fine. It's all part of the adventure. It's a surprise within a surprise.
Surprise melon. What the surprise is going to be is if it's still in one piece.
The Russian $60 surprises.
It's good to be on a boat with you finally.
Yeah, I know, right? How long has it been? Like 8 years?
I mean, you started, we're gonna do a whole podcast about all this, but like, you started a year before I did, and I started almost 9 years ago.
Yeah, so I've been at it for about 10 years.
I mean, we texted within a few years of that, but like, we didn't actually meet. Was that in Annapolis like 3 years ago, 2 years ago?
Maybe. We've been chatting on the phone a couple times a year for like a while. Just, you know,
But we didn't actually meet.
sharing notes.
Yeah,
It is. It is so good. Long time coming.
Yep. All right. This is a loud ass.
I think we should tie a preventer and try to pull the main up. Why not? We're going dead downwind. What do you think, Captain?
Maybe we could turn around and put them in.
Alright.
Nah, let's just go. We're gonna have to motor anyway, so.
Alright, let me see if I can do something about this noise. Is there a preventer you think on board?
Yeah, well, I can rig one.
I mean, maybe if we just bring the sheet line in?
I'm just gonna tie it on to the
Okay. Alright.
sheet and just
Okay.
pull it over here to this.
Okay. You want me to show you how to tie a bowline?
Yeah, we'll do it.
All right, there we go. Good job. Good team. All right. What's going on down here? You're on. It was me. It was right up the nose. There's a little person and another little person. And we have the grocery expert in here who ordered so many boxes of delicious food. I'm pretty sure it's mostly lettuce, so that's gonna be fun. What's happening in Snack Town?
Well, Snack Town, there's so much room in this room.
So much room for activities. It goes deep, she says. Yes, it does.
So we're great. Do I have anywhere to store my quick go-to seasonings and oils? No, but that's all right.
It's okay.
It's gonna be fine. I'm on a boat.
I'm on a boat. Isn't there a song?
There's a couple.
All right, so we're good. We're sailing. It's happening. All right, so for the next 2 hours, we're probably going to be doing exactly this. We're going 12 nautical miles to the next island. I don't know what it's called, and even if I did, I couldn't pronounce it, but I hear it's beautiful. We're going to be there in probably 2.5 hours. We're going 5-something knots, I'm guessing, and yeah, that's the math, I think. So we'll see you in a minute.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. My baby's cheersing too. Every time I turn around, there's like a boob somewhere.
Maybe we put on music for Violet to dance to.
Yeah.
She really gets into it. Violet. So where are we going?
To that island.
What does it have a name?
Nikanokamus.
Say that again?
Nikanokamus.
Your Greek is so good, I just wanted to hear it twice.
Nikolakapakamus. I'm using ChatGPT to learn Greek, and it's hilarious. I make all the Greek people that I meet laugh. Yeehaw! Wow! Wow, 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 wow. Oh yeah. Okay. Pop that bridle on, little lady. We need you to arch your back. Put your elbows together at your...
I've got my knees in.
I like your knees in. I'm gonna need you to turn your shoulders towards me. Bring your elbows to your belly button. If you've watched Sailing Doodles, you know Bobby has a tradition. There's always a beautiful girl dropping the anchor on this channel. Since we're collaborating this week, I figured we'd keep the tradition alive, so I asked my girlfriend to drop the anchor in true Sailing Doodles style. You gotta elbows in at, yeah. Okay, you gotta, yep, there we go.
Rather left.
Okay.
Yeah, you gotta go down until it takes.
Down periscope. You wanna take the pressure off the winch. Or the windlass, rather.
Keep going.
Keep going. There's gonna be like a little sag in it. You got it. You're looking for a sag. Keep going. These lines are gonna tighten up. Yeah, there you go. So the bridle will tighten and then the chain will loosen and then you're taking the weight off of the windlass.
Sounds like sailing math.
Yeah, sailing math. You mathed it. Okay, ladies. Istion's catamaran fleet includes modern models from Lagoons, XS, Bali, Naughtytech, and Fontaine Peugeot. Their catamarans host between 8 and 12 guests depending on layout. Options are available for bareboat, skippered, or fully crewed charters, so whether you want to do the sailing yourself or have full service, they have you covered. The company has 11 main charter bases in Greece: Athens, Corfu, Kos, Lavarion, Lefkos, Mykonos, Maros, Rhodes, and many more, meaning you can begin your sailing adventure from many island regions. Their fully crewed luxury yacht arm, Istion Luxury Yachts, offers top-end motor yachts and catamarans with full service, captain, hostess, luxurious interiors, and tailored itineraries.
How you doing down there?
Hello, fine gentlemen. Can I interest you to ride my chariot?
Yeah, let's go.
One of the joys of sailing is hopping in the dinghy and heading to shore, never knowing what new adventure or discoveries are waiting for you.
Maybe we should have the best.
Do what?
The best on my child.
Nah.
How else is she gonna want to tell the best story?
Well, we might be going back to the boat for dinghy gas, because like I can't see any gas in here,
Oh.
but like,
Take the cowling
oh,
off.
there's gas in here.
Just take the cowling off for a sec.
It sounds like there's gas.
Okay.
What?
Sometimes I feel like I'm supposed to say something and then I just don't know what I'm doing with my hands. So.
The new and improved Sailing Miss Lone Star. Put a mast on it.
She's a beaut.
She's a beaut. So I thought I would film the entire video in this light because it's the most beautiful light. Actually, just kidding. We're going to dinner. We have gotten in dresses. We're feeling beautiful. The weather, I wish you were here because it's the weather that you want to be naked in because it's perfect. It's what, like 70? Oh, he's cheating. He's looking at his watch. How?
It doesn't say. It's not telling me. I didn't know you were recording. I thought
You're never gonna know.
I thought you were talking to her.
No.
We actually don't.
We've got toilet cams, don't worry. Yeah, so it is perfectly beautiful. The breeze is warm, feels like a kiss and a warm blanket. The water is so blue. I am absolutely
Mid to upper 70s right now.
mid to upper 70s. 78, 79. We just got out of the water. And man, it's so beautiful. I'm so happy to be here. I might learn Greek. Hey. Sailing with another YouTube creator is a blast. Normally, I'm the one holding everyone up trying to get the shot, but Bobby, he's right there with me. He knows the hustle and it makes filming feel like part of the adventure.
Just do this into that.
If you like this channel and want to see more, hit that subscribe button. Thank you guys so much for watching. So, big news for Sailing Miss Lone Star. We are taking this beautiful classic boat through the Panama Canal and we are offering some mile building opportunities to you guys. So check us out over on Patreon or you can go to sailingmisslonestar.com. If you can't wait to see me until next week, check out The Daily Show also on sailingmisslonestar.com and we can see you tomorrow. All right, you guys, thank you so much. And a big thank you to my patrons and our supporters and our sponsors for bringing these videos to you. We'll see you next week.